Everybody, it's Coffee with Mick. Frank and honest discussion about whatever I want to talk about in the morning. That's the good stuff. Had some lamb chops for dinner yesterday. Practically all gristle. Yeah. And I'll just save them for soup stock. The rest. At least glad they weren't tainted. I thought they smelled a little weird, then I cooked them. Like, oh, these taste fine. Yeah. Probably gonna make another burger tonight. Tried making homemade hamburger buns again, but like it kind of turned out more like biscuits. Yeah. It's a good biscuit recipe, but not so much a burger bun recipe. Why must the cookbook lie to me? Why, Daniel, lie? The cookbook's name is Daniel. I named it Daniel. I've also been planning on making some homemade ice cream. Yeah. I got blender books. Yeah. I really gotta figure out what kind of long form content I want to make for YouTube and TikTok. Like, these are fun, improvised, like, comedy things. But, is that bird inside the house? Okay. The bird is not inside the house. Okay. There's a bird inside my window. It is gone now. Anyone see that Killers of the Flower Moon? I thought it was pretty good, but my mom said the book was better. Like, who is the lady in that film? The indigenous woman with diabetes, Lily, I think. Yeah. Like, I think she had a lot more bite to her in the book. She chewed out her awful husband after learning what he'd done. In the movie, she's a lot more subdued about it. Yeah. I know a lot of people are pissed off that, like, she didn't win, like, Best Actress. I don't think I even watched the Oscars. Definitely didn't. Yeah. Fox was doing animation domination on that night. Ain't that weird? The bird's back in the window. This may be a problem for later. Have a good morning.